Hello, students. This is your English lesson. In this lesson, we will read a poem, Piano, from Oxford Reading Circle, Book 7. So, we start our lesson. Now, read the poem together. Piano. Softly in the dusk, a woman is singing to me, taking me back down the vista of years till I see a child sitting under the piano in the boom of the tingling strings and pressing the small, poised feet of a mother who smiles as she sings. In spite of myself, the insidious mastery of song betrays me back till the heart of me weeps to belong to the old Sunday evenings at home with the winter outside and hymns in the cozy parlor, the tinkling piano our guide. So now it is vain for the singer to burst into clamor with the great black piano appassionato appassionato, the glamour of childish days is upon me. My manhood is cast down in the flood of remembrance. I weep like a child for the past. Exercises A questions. 1. What brings back the memories to the poet's mind? Answer. A woman singing to the speaker brings the memories to the poet's mind. 2. What does the poet long for? Answer. The poet longs for the old Sunday evenings at his cozy parlor when his mother would sing hymns and play the piano. 3. What do we learn from the phrase in spite of myself? Answer. We learn from the phrase in spite of myself that the poet himself is not willing to recall those days, but despite his efforts, the song takes him back to his childhood days. 4. In what way is the poet's manhood cast down? Answer. The poet's manhood is cast down because being a grown up, a mature adult, he does not want to show his emotions. Nonetheless, he can no longer control himself and cries yearning for his innocent childhood days. 5. What qualities might you class as being part of one's manhood? Answer. The qualities I might class as being part of one's manhood would be bravery, responsibility, and integrity. 6. How does this poem make you feel? How do you think the poet manages to make you feel that way? Answer. This poem makes me feel warm, nostalgic, and emotional. The poet manages to make me feel warm by using the words softly and in the dusk. Also, he makes me emotional and nostalgic by painting a scene of pure love and care of a mother that the poet weeps for and uses the simile of a child to describe his state of helplessness. 7. Do you ever want to go back to the past? Yes, I want to go back to the past. What part would you revisit if you could? I wish I would revisit my childhood days. B. Poetry. 1. What is the rhyming pattern in the poem? Answer. The rhyming pattern in this poem is A B B C C D D. 2. Figurative language, metaphors in English, especially in poetry, we often use figurative language such as similes or metaphors. In a simile, we compare two things with the use of as or like. She clucked like a hen. He was as cool as a cucumber. He was like a fish out of water. She is as deaf as a post. In a metaphor, we use words for objects to which they are not literally applicable. For example, a glaring error, a flood of letters, a poisoned mind. She sailed across the room. Can you find a metaphor in the poem? Answer. A metaphor in the poem is found when the poet uses the word vistas for the speaker's memories of his childhood. It means a landscape, a pleasing view, or a panorama. C. Words and meaning. 1. Find words in the poem for the following. A. Sounds or noise, clamor, tingling. B. A technical musical expression, appassionato. C. A room in a house, parlor. D. A color, black. E. A time of day, dusk. F. Human beings, woman, child, mother. 2. Add the suffix hood to 5 of the following words. A. Boyhood. B. Manhood. E. Childhood. F. Widowhood. G. Likelihood. D. Discuss and write. 1. Does some music bring back a memory? Perhaps someone else reminds you of an event or a person from your past. What is it? Answer: yes, music brings back a memory. It can bring back the memories of wedding ceremony, birthday celebration, and get together. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.